Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to close your order in Shopify. So simply what you need to do, first of all you have to open your Shopify account and log in through admin. Now on the left side you can find the order tab, so simply click on the order. So now here you can see there are some orders available here, so we have to move them to archive folder. So when you successfully move them to archive folder, you can see the status is archived here. So simply after that, just select one by one and click on delete this order red button. So you can also select them, and one by one you can also close the order. But if you want to keep the all order close at once, you can also select the all orders, and so in this way you have easily got to know how to close your order in Shopify.